Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification software like tabulas or other like that things from your Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. So to start, if you see something like that when you're trying to visit inside, just spamming pop-ups or something like that in your notification bar, that means you have a notification software, and we can try to remove it by two ways, by the system default settings and Antivirus App. So I'm gonna show you the first method now. We have to open the settings. Then go to the apps. Now check the list, and if you see something strange, the app that you have not installed before, just unwanted app, tap on it and choose uninstall. Click OK, and in the second step, go back to the app list. Now look for your web browser. Then go to the storage and choose the manage storage. Clear all data and OK. After that, your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download Antivirus app. I'm always using the Avast for that. So you have to click next and skip. Sorry about that. This app doesn't work in the landscape mode, but click continuous free and tap on the start scan. Now allow a permission and go back to the app. And now choose the scan time. I will use the deep scan, and now after the scanning process, all of the unwanted softwares, viruses, malwares should be deleted from your tablet. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.